This is Richey Property Management making a quick video of how to clean the filters in a mini split system. Most mini splits have a remote control. So first thing we do is turn the mode to off. Come on, somewhere is off. Oh, right there in the middle, off. Okay. Turn that off. You'll see the vents shut up to know that it's done. Usually the front cover will pull up, so you just kind of gently pull in the corners and then it will prop itself up. And then these filters just kind of slide out and they're washable. So take the two of them out. Don't touch the metal fins in there. Try not to get anything on them. They could cut you, but also they're delicate and you'll damage the effectiveness of the machine. So try not to mess with those. So we will take these filters, rinse them out in the sink, maybe a little soap on them if needed. We'll dry them off and put them back, and I'll come back to that. If they're not too dirty, these filters will wash up with just a little bit of water. Usually it's better to go from the back side so you're pushing the dust out back off of the front. If you have a little sprayer setting, that will help clean them up. If they've been in there too long and they get too dirty, you might need to put a little spray cleaner on them, like a Simple Green or something gentle, non-abrasive, if you don't want to punch a hole in that mesh. You just want to let the soap loosen up whatever dirt is on there so that you can take it off. Okay, now that the filters are clean, we can put them back in. You'll see they're slightly damp. Slightly damp is okay, wet is not. You don't want to have water dripping in here, but a little bit of dampness will get dried out by the machine, so that's not too big a deal. You just want to make sure they're not wet. So gently reinsert them. Sorry, I'm aiming a little the wrong way. Gently reinsert them into that track. Usually there's a hook or something to hold that edge in place. That's a little too wet. So there's one in. We'll grab the other one, put it in here. This one's a little more delicate because it has to slide up under that sensor wire. But just wiggle it and it will eventually go. If you have to push hard, you're doing something wrong. And then once you're done, just close this back in. You'll see there are little catches up here. So you have to kind of push, you have to push the lid over these catches. So it takes a little bit of force, but not a whole lot. Don't break anything. Once you get that shut, it has little snaps. And that is it. We can turn it back on. Okay, now that everything's together, we're going to turn the system back on. I've got it on heat mode, and we will turn it on. You see the temperature light comes on, the little vent opens up, and the system is working again. And then always put the remote back.